Hi, this video is instructions on how to replace the cabin filter of your Honda Odyssey 2014. It's the same for 2010 to 2015. This is the cabin filter, $11 from O'Reilly. If you bring your van to the dealer, Honda dealer, they will charge you around $60 to replace it. Okay, simple, two-step. First is push these two sides of the glove compartment together and then slowly pull it down. There is a handle that you just need that holds this glove compartment. You just need to push it down and this will totally drop. Okay? Alright, let me start doing that. First step, push together. Okay? There is a handle here. Let me get my, so I can show it to you. There is a handle here and you can see it right here. You just need to push it down. Okay, now totally drops. Okay, now that we are inside the glove compartment, we took it out and here is the cabin filter. You see the arrow, the airflow arrow is pointing down. So make sure when you put the new air filter, it's also pointing down. Okay, all right, to take it out, you will see that there is an arrow here. You just need to push that inside. The same thing over there, push them inside. Okay, so I'm gonna do that right now. And okay, after I push this lever, the left and the right lever at the same time, I was able to unlock it, and now I'm gonna pull it out. Oh shit, it's so dirty. Wow, look at this, nasty. Okay, I emptied out the old air filter, cabin filter, and now I'm gonna put the new one. Remember, the airflow arrow is pointing downward, and you need to make sure that this one is also pointing downward. Okay, downward and downward. With this, to place it in, just rotate it and perfectly fit in. So this is the new cabin air filter. To put it back, just push it back, snap back right in. Okay, and then to put back the glove compartment, just push the two sides together. Okay, now it's in. And then last part is you just have to snap back the handle. Okay, handle's in. Finish. Thank you. You see how easy it was? It only took 5 minutes to replace the cabin filter. If this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and make a comment. Thank you for watching.